Today's episode, I just found me a baby bird at work. He is covered in piss ants, so I'm fixing to get him off, take him home, and hopefully save his life. I found an egg earlier, it was already busted, but ow! These ants are biting the shit out of me, so I know they're biting the shit out of him. So I'm gonna get him off, get him home, get him in a little bed and everything, and I'll keep you updated. Okay, so I got most of the ants off of him. I think I got all the ants off of him. He got some movement. He gonna be all right. I'm gonna keep him here till I get off work, take him home, and introduce him to COVID, the dog I got, and Worm the cat. And I want to keep him if he'll stay. So I got back home, and bad news, the bird is dead. I got all the ants off of him, put him in a safe little spot, wrapped him up in my shirt at work, finished working, went back about 45 minutes later, and he was dead, I guess. The fall or the ants, I don't know. So, fixing to give him a proper burial, because I love this bird. I really did. So, we're gonna bury him. Oh yeah, and I doubt this box makes it, but just in case anybody ever digs him up or finds him, they can at least look up and see that somebody tried to save his life, but I doubt they ever do. So, let's take him and bury him. That's all I got for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos I could make post for my subscribers or some shit. I don't know. Give me some ideas for the YouTube besides sharks, y'all. Have a good day.